Hey guys, we're done grocery. We're just seeing the place. That's trash bin. Whoa, it's so big. Can we go? It's like a mall in here. Yeah, it's like a mall. I think it will electric. Oh! It's I love yellow. Blue. I like blue. I'm going with Daddy. Say hi.
Hi.
Should we go now?
Okay.
Let's go.
This Dunkin is the open.
Huh? There's dumplings.
Dunkin.
Dunkin? There's some dumplings. I thought you said dumplings. I was like, dumplings?
Dunkin.
I thought you said dumpling for a while. My heart stopped beating when you said dumplings.
Careful with the elevator.
Daddy, I'm always scared. Daddy, I guess it's closed. Never mind, there's people.
Yeah.
Daddy, please hold me. Never mind.
Okay, you first.
I'm not scared if it's up, but if it's down, yeah. Daddy, my friend said, I'm gonna wait. Look at. I just took a picture. And another picture. Dunkins! There's only a few people. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh, nothing like Dunkin'. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Is there bubble gum? Unlock.
Saan yung munchkins? May chocolate? Saan yung available na munchkins?
Walay manda.
Yes, pwede ikuha. Na sorted.
Let's do a trend, Anna. Let's do a trend. Daddy, where are we gonna sit?
Oh,
I'm morning. Fast. So what do you think? Oh, there's a sticker. Daddy. Here's the balcony. Oh no, there's a about what? Where? I'm picturing this. I just pictured it. Where? Can I see? It's right over there. Where's the balcony? Right over there. Here? No, that's the balcony. You don't know what balcony means? Yeah. Be serious. I'm not. Wait, I'm gonna picture this. Oh my. Worldwide picture. Wait. It's so cool. Why is there? He's stalking us. Stalker. Are you gonna eat inside or outside?
Outside lang.
Okay.
Ganda na isa.
Car?
Ayaw, wala. Pili ka sa car.
May ganun. Walk.
Outside? Outside or inside?
Inside or outside? Inside.
Girl, isa ka.
Inside ba?
Maybe. Ooh. Matcha. Oh wait. Let's go Una. Let's eat. Una, be beside me. What's the white one? Can I try the white one?
Yes.
What's the white one?
You want to eat outside?
I want to eat on the balcony. Where it's closed.
It's open, ma'am.
Oh no, it's closed.
Yummy.
I like the powder.
Mga water.
That's a small. Look. It's a small. Put it back.
Mag-drink na lang tag water sa house. Ha? Slowly lang.
Look at this. Look. I'm videoing on the phone. There's cheese inside.
Yeah, you try another.
I love cheese. I do like. Before I don't. Now I like.
Do
I'm
not
not
save too much
opening.
video sa phone. Huwag timuhan ko ah. Huwag timuhan storage.
Okay. I'm just posting it in YouTube. The cheese. I like this one. I like this one.
You try.
I like this one. It's so yummy.
You try. You will not know if you will not try.
I like it. I can only feel the powder. That crap.
$24 yun. Wow.
Daddy, can we go to here again and get some donuts outside
Yes.
when it was morning?
Morning time? Okay.
Or afternoon? Afternoon.
Wala na si Mami. We get together with Mami.
Yeah, mommy will be so shocked.
No.
Leave one. I'm going to do another video. Leave one for mommy.
Okay.
We're gonna leave one for the chocolate.
Okay.
This two do you like chocolate? I like.
I like everything.
Same. You like the poop?
Like that.
What is that food? Can I try?
This is coffee.
Can I just try? Yeah, me too. I'm not going to able to sleep. And there's school tomorrow.
Stop na. Stop na.
Stop! Oh no, there's school tomorrow. At least I cannot feel so. I can't feel anything.
Sige.
Me too. Can I just drink water?
Coffee.
That's the reason why I don't love coffee. It's so bitter. That's why, guys, don't never drink coffee, okay? Unless you're an adult. Yeah. Who loves coffee? Daddy, why do grown-ups like coffee?
I don't know too.
Me too. Like, coffee is so bitter.
Actually, coffee is roasted beans.
It's for roasting, right?
Not the literal roasting. It's
Eat the cheese, okay? Not the chocolate. Even I left one from a broken one for. This is my mood. Where are you? Oh, you're over there. Bro. You want me to punch this? It's okay. Because look. Done. Because look. Mine is even more sharper. Look, it's so sharp. This one's sharp. This one's so sharp. Daddy Kuya Matmat said I almost bet him up in a punch. Because this one is so sharp. Do like this.
Guess what?
That's so sharp. That's so sharp. That's so sharp. I hate my chair. Oh no, sit down. I'm eating one more. Who left this bite?
Uno.
Me. Oh no. Eat it. Nope. It's so frozen. Nope. It's so frozen. It looks like a.
You leave one for mommy, huh?
Leave. I'm leaving 3.
I eat one.
I ate 3. Don't eat
How many left?
the 2 chocolate and 1 cheese.
Which one for mommy?
2 man. 2 man natin. I'm gonna go under the table. The cheese is only powder, not chocolate.
Okay.
I'm not allowed to see.
Uno, sit down na good uno. Ano dili makamakabiig? You sit down ba?
I'm going to make this.
Sit down na good.
Eating something. Cause, oh my gosh. Oh no, sit down. That makes so much noise. That is not. It's getting more colder. I need to eat fast. And Daddy's just chilling. Not for me. I thought it was cold, but it was not. I thought it was cold.
Una, water. Una, water.
Stay here because he's so. I need water.
Uno.
Okay.
Pwede mo naman back to you. Ulit ito tayo. Pag nalig ka naman, Henry.
Uno. Drink water. Okay, let's go na.
Nakalimot siya sa COVID ka na. Ano siya?
My nostrils.
Stop na natin.
Okay. Look at this. Hello. Okay, bye-bye, guys.
Bring the munchkins for mommy.
Munchkin. Daddy brings the groceries. Oh my gosh. Daddy, can you hold this too? Oh no. Never mind. Bombay. I wanna call Dad after this. No.